Alrighty then, corn children, children of the corn. It is a fine day for mathematics, and today we will be discussing vertical and horizontal lines. Yeah, we will. Okay, I'm actually going to start with the horizontal lines. Yeah, I am. Now, how do you remember which one's which? How do you remember which one's vertical and which one's horizontal? Well, if you can remember that the word horizontal has the word horizon in it, and then if you're like, Bob Ross and you're making a picture, like there's a happy mountain and there's some trees, happy trees, you can put your happy trees in there, The horizon, yeah, so like the sun's setting over here. The horizon is horizontal. It goes righty-lefty. I know, right? Okay, so yeah, little bird and everything. If you can remember that, that may help you out with remembering which way is which. Horizon, horizontal. All right, so let's talk about a horizontal line. Now, I am going to draw for us a very happy horizontal line. Yeah, I will. Totally lost my ruler. All right, so I'm going to go up 1, 2, 3, and I'm going to draw a horizontal line. There it is. Look how exciting that was. It's a horizontal line. Yeah, I'll even write horizontal. And I want us to talk about the equation for this horizontal line, and I'm going to look at this two different ways. Yeah. Now we know that a line is nothing more than a collection of points that are collinear. They all line up. So I'm just going to grab some points off this line. For example, there's a point right here. And its coordinates would be 0, 3. Here's another one. This is 4, 3. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Over here, 10, 3. What about on the other side? Well, that's negative 1, 3. I'm wondering if you're seeing a pattern. Negative 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Negative 6, 3. If I take any point on this line, they all have something in common. What? What? The y-coordinates, every single one of them is 3. Yeah. Now the x's could be anything. The x's they can go anything at all. They can go all the way out to infinity on the right and negative infinity on the left, and every number in the real number system is in there. X's are running wild, but all the y's are exactly 3. The y's equal 3. I wonder if she's trying to get at something here. Yes! The equation of a horizontal line that is at a height of 3, the equation is y equals 3. That is the equation of this horizontal line. Crazy. I know. Hey, wait, there's more craziness we can talk about. Yeah. Because it is a y equals equation, you can get the y alone. This is in mx plus b form. No, it's not. Yes, it is. Check this out. Y equals, how many x's do you see in this equation? None. That's correct. There are 0 x's in the equation. I've just slid that in there, and then there's a plus 3. Yes, that's right, ladies and gentlemen. Our slope on a horizontal line is 0, and our y-intercept is wherever on the, look at it, y-axis, we have our line. It's at a height of 3. Huh. Does that make any sense at all? The slope is 0. Well, let's think about 0. We can write 0 like a fraction. Rise over run. Pick any point on the line. Any one. Right here. To get to another point on the line, I will rise nothing and run 1. Ready? You have to watch. There, I just went up nothing. Did you see it? Okay, I'll do it again. There, I just went up nothing. I know. And I'm going to run 1. Oh, oh, look, it puts it horizontally. I'm going to go up nothing and run 1. Go up nothing, run 1. Go up nothing, run 1. Oh, it is horizontal. Yeah. Hey, think about our friend Hans. Hello, Hans. How are you? Oh, just okay. I'm not happy. I'm not sad. Hans is neither climbing nor falling. He's just walking along neutrally, horizontal. Yes, Hans is neither happy nor sad. He's just, blah. The slope is 0. All right, so let's wrap up this. A horizontal line, first of all, goes righty-lefty. The equation of a horizontal line is y equals 3. Why? That's a question, not a variable. Why? Because all the y coordinates have to be the same. They all have to equal 3. And that's what this equation says. Y has to be 3. It is in slope-intercept form, and with a horizontal line, let's write it boldly in our notes. You ready? With a horizontal line, the slopes are always 0. I know, crazy. What about vertical lines? Okay, all right, I'm glad you asked. Hey, wait, I have more graph paper. All right, let's look at a vertical line. Okay, so if horizontal lines are righty-lefty, our vertical lines are uppy-downy. I'm going to draw an XY axis for us so that everything is happy. Okay, here's our XY axis. And this time, I'm going to go boldly, where no man has gone before, to -4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Just so you can see it. And I have dropped in a vertical line. Vertical. There's a vertical line right there. It's at -4. Now I want you to notice something. Yeah, I do. I want you to notice this. If I take any point on this line, they all have something in common. This dot right here is left 4, up nothing. If I take this one, this is left 4, up 3. There's another one. Where is this? 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This is left 4, up 7. Take one down here. Yeah, you can pick another one. This one, left 4, down 2. Are you seeing it? Are you? On vertical lines, the x's are not the same. They can be anything at all, but all the, wait, I said that wrong. The y values can be anything at all. The y values can be anything, but the x values, the x's, remember these are alphabetical, x comma y, it is the x's that are all the same. Yes. -4, -4, -4, -4, which leads me to the equation of our vertical line. There it is. For a vertical line, it's not y equals. The y's are running around willy-nilly doing whatever they want. We lock in the x value. For a vertical line, it is x equals -4. Yes. Now, I want you to notice something here. In our last example, with the horizontal line, we could get the y alone and put it in mx plus b form, and we could figure out what the slope was. Okay, let's get the y alone on this one. Okay, except there is no y. You cannot get the y alone. You cannot write this in y equals mx plus b form, because it gets all wackadoodle. It's crazy. It's just insane. I mean, it's nuts. As a matter of fact, when it comes to a vertical line, we need to say the following. The slope is undefined. What? What? What do you mean undefined? Okay, well, we know the slope is rise over run. Let's look at our line. Ready? If I take any 2 points, I'm going to take this point and this point, these two right here. We would rise, 1, 2, 3, and now I'm going to run nothing. I don't go right and left at all. I go up 3 and over righty lefty nothing. Up 3 over nothing. Wait a minute. That seems like that's an issue. Doesn't that seem like that's an issue? Let's see. 3 divide 0. Whoop, 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 whoop. You just divided by 0. Whoop, whoop. Undefined. You can't divide by 0. It makes no sense. So we need to know that with a vertical line, do we need to make, maybe we should write that bigger. Vertical line. The equations are x equals a number, and the slopes are not 0. The slopes are undefined. Enjoy.